today starts a new project. The Dodge is outside. We're waiting on some back window seals to put in it. But this is a 98 Dodge Dakota with the 5.2 in it. This is actually 4x4, which we don't tend to do much, but we are going to be body swapping this onto a little bitty Dodge. Now last night we went through headlights and taillights and blinkers, windows, switches, blowers. Well, no window switches, but blowers and everything like that. Gauges. Made sure everything worked. It did. It does. Shall I say it does, but it did. Who knows what happens while we're building it. But my goal today is get that dash out, pull that entire harness out, steering column out. We also have to, the interior stays. In fact, we're not doing a floor swap and everything on this one. This one, we have several ways we do them. One is we cut out the floor and firewall. All that is one piece. All this, pull it, put it underneath the old vehicle. But when some people want to keep like the original interior and everything, we can do like a firewall swap where we just put the firewall onto the old truck and hook up, like, you have to use these gauges because they won't run without it. So we'll put them gauges onto the new dash, a nice way to make them look good, and then tuck all the wiring and everything, hide switches and whatnot. But, you know, that's how we do that. So it's going to be new underneath, old inside. That's how it looks good. Everybody likes them like that. So I'm not sure what year Dodge the truck is outside. It's old, like a 50s model. And I'm not sure what model it is. I don't know the Dodge is that good. But yep, I'm going to start killing this one. Well, it's a little soggy right now. We had some serious rainfall in Kentucky last night. But I'm gonna walk over a little homemade bridge here. I don't fall flat on my back. I'm sure that'll get me some views. But yeah, this is the actual little Dodge that's going on the Dakota. We're not sure, but we think it was an actual military truck. I think it has some military numbers on the other side. But this thing is super clean. I mean, like, hardly any rust. Yeah, right there, Dexter, Montana. Huh, it could be. But, open the door here. Maybe. It weighs a ton. All OG. We are leaving that, dash and everything. Look at that. Somehow it has a Chevy air conditioner box in it, and it is leaking water like crazy from somewhere. And it's got a bunch of beer bottles in it. Yeah. I don't partake, no thank you. But all that stuff's got to come out. Actually, it don't have to come out because we're not replacing the floor. The floor is staying. It's actually doing a cab swap on this one, but the firewall is going to be changed. But it is a little sweetheart. No tailgate. He's got to find one. We actually have new rims and tires, which are actual Dakota spares that look about like them original ones. It's hilarious. But yeah. Look how far down that gas filler neck was. Dang. It's going to be a fun little project though. Go back over the river here. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. There's the mailman. Oh, don't mind that either. No, you don't want to look at that. You don't want to look at that right there, do you? I mean, what is that? Who knows? Maybe it's a C10. It's definitely a C10, but yeah. That might be an upcoming project. That we're definitely not going to paint that blue. There's a Slippy out there. Himmy D. let's get in the garage here. Oh, sorry. Keys. Turn away. Secret code. Don't want anybody knowing that. There we go. And now, back on the Dakota. Yeah. So the other night I got the dash out. I got the harness out of the inside. The next step, sorry, hold on. I have to unhook anything on the firewall. Any of the grounds. I have to pull off the AC stuff. Washer bottle gets tossed. And I have to pull all this off. And then I pull the cab off. Set it over here. But it's going to go pretty fast today. And once we get that stuff off, then we got to get the green truck in here. That little Dodge. That's what's going on here, of course. And I'm also going to have to get this stupid thing level in order to do anything. The owner is going on vacation. So, we don't have the new rims and tires he has. We don't know if he wants us to fix the 4x4 on it, which the axle on the other side is out. And the bottom control arm's broken. Down here, yeah, see? You can see right there, snapped. No axle. So, and this is a 5.2 Magnum, the newer style. Man, it's cold in here. But yeah, all that's got to come off today. We got to get busy. So I'm getting to it. As you can see now, the body is off. Everything came off the firewall. I could not, for the life of me, get the shifter knob off though. Then I started looking around it. It looks like somebody double-sided taped that thing on or something, so that thing's probably never gonna come off. But it's off. One thing I didn't say is, I don't know if I did or not actually, it's got a ground problem. So we're either gonna have to just make a new ground straight to the frame, be done with it, or try to trace it down. And I've been looking at the wiring and I can't seem to find anywhere it looks like it would be broke at. So I guess we'll just make a new one. I was hoping, you know, there'd be something under here that looked like it was broke, but here's the actual ground there. So yeah, I guess we move on to the next part here. The next part will be cutting the firewall out of this and then getting this garbage out of here. We need the firewall for the AC, the heat, all the brake setup, everything. You know, everything's on the firewall here. So that'll have to get cut out, and then it will get moved to the old body. So that's what I'm going to work on now. Starting to choppy. But yeah, got a long way to go on this. Another thing I forgot to mention is we are going to the small tank. This is a large. This is the 21. We have the, I think it's 17 gallon tank over here. So I have to pull that other tank off, swap it with this one, and put all the fuel pump and everything into the other one, small one. But you know what? Now that I'm looking at it, it's got a 2-hole filler neck on it. What's this one got? This one's got the 1 hole. Okay. Well, it don't matter. I just swap filler necks. Overthinking it. I do it a lot. But yeah. Okay. So I'm going to actually do that next. Get this crap out of here. I'll probably pull the pump and everything out first, because I am known for breaking them.